selector, rewind selector, rewind selector. Rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
Meet the FS3000. This is a brand new end assembly kit from the makers of Fencestay. Those regular viewers of the channel will know the FS1000, which is perfect for small and temporary fences, the FS2000, which is really good for most general jobs around the farm, and now we've got the FS3000. The FS3000 kit allows a longer box end assembly and it allows a taller box end assembly, meaning that this is perfect for most applications where high strength is required, like exclusion fences and hanging gates in gateways. Now, you've probably noticed that we've constructed this one with square pipe. You can use round pipe. Having the tech screws to hold it in place makes it equally easy to drill through. We just decided that we wanted square tube for this one. It is rock solid with 8 bolts holding it in place. There is a bit of drilling, but once the drilling is done, you never need to come back to it. It should not go anywhere. It conforms to the landscape beautifully. You can make this any length you want. You can make this any height you want, so exclusion fences are not a problem for an end assembly like this. With 2 posts at 2.4, you've got a lot of steel in the ground, and this promises to be an exceptionally strong box end assembly. With the use of the reciprocal saw, we had no angle grinding and we had no welding, meaning that assembling an end assembly like this in fire-prone conditions or fire-prone landscapes is suddenly a lot safer. Guys, I hope you like this kind of video, and if you do, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Plenty more on timthompson.ag, and I'll check out something else next week. That's not going anywhere.